Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the shop.
Thank you. I need to buy some milk.
Sure, we have a lot of milk here. What kind do you want?
What kinds do you have?
We have whole milk, low-fat milk, and skim milk.
What's the difference?
Whole milk has more fat. Low-fat has less fat. Skim milk has almost no fat.
I see. Which one is more popular?
Whole milk is very popular. Many people like the taste.
Okay, how much is the whole milk?
It's $3 for one bottle.
And the low-fat milk?
That's $2.50.
What about skim milk?
Skim milk is $2.
That's cheaper.
Yes, it is.
Is skim milk good for health?
Yes, it has less fat. Many people choose it for a diet.
I want something healthy, but I also like a rich taste.
Then maybe low-fat milk is good for you.
Okay, let's talk about low-fat milk.
Sure.
How much calcium does it have?
It has 300 milligrams of calcium per glass.
That's good. Calcium is important for bones.
Yes, exactly.
Does it have vitamins too?
Yes, it has vitamin D and vitamin A.
That sounds healthy.
It is? This milk is good for kids and adults.
Do you have any sugar in this milk?
No, this is plain milk. No sugar added.
Great, I don't like sweet milk.
Okay, no problem.
How many calories are in one glass?
About 120 calories.
That's not too much.
No, it's a good choice.
What about protein?
It has 8 grams of protein per glass.
That's helpful for energy.
Yes, milk is good for energy in the morning.
Okay, I will buy the low-fat milk.
Great choice. How many bottles do you want?
I want 2 bottles, please.
Sure, that will be $5.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Do you have a bigger size too?
Yes, we have a 1-liter bottle too.
How much is that?
That's $4 for 1 liter.
That's a good price.
Yes, it's more milk for less money.
Should I get the bigger bottle instead?
If you drink milk every day, the bigger bottle is better.
I drink milk every morning.
Then I recommend the 1-liter bottle.
Okay, let's change my order.
Sure, no problem.
I want 1 big bottle instead of 2 small ones.
Okay, that's $4.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Can I ask about the milk's expiry date?
Sure, this milk is good until next Friday.
That's enough time for me.
Yes, it's very fresh. We got it this morning.
Good, I like fresh milk.
Me too.
Where is this milk from?
It's from a local farm nearby.
That's nice. Local milk is usually fresh.
Yes, it is.
Do you also sell flavored milk?
Yes, we have chocolate milk and strawberry milk.
Oh, my daughter loves chocolate milk.
Many kids love it.
How much is the chocolate milk?
It's $2.50 for a small bottle.
Does it have a lot of sugar?
Yes, it has more sugar than plain milk.
I see. I don't want too much sugar for her.
We also have a low-sugar chocolate milk.
Oh, that sounds better.
Yes, it has less sugar but still tastes good.
How much is that one?
It's $3.
A little more expensive, but healthier.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I will take 1 bottle of that too.
Sure, no problem.
So now I have 1 liter of low-fat milk and 1 bottle of low-sugar chocolate milk.
Yes, that's correct.
How much is that in total?
That's $4 plus $3. $7 total.
Okay, here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change. $3.
Thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else?
Actually, yes. Do you sell yogurt too?
Yes, we have yogurt in the fridge over there.
Is it also from the same farm?
Yes, it's from the same local farm.
That's great. Fresh products are always better.
I agree.
What flavors of yogurt do you have?
We have plain, strawberry, and vanilla.
How much is the plain yogurt?
It's $1.50.
And the strawberry one?
That's $2.
Does the strawberry yogurt have real fruit?
Yes, it has real strawberry pieces inside.
That sounds delicious.
It is. Many customers like it.
Okay, I will take one strawberry yogurt too.
Sure, no problem.
How much is my total now?
That's $7 plus $2. $9 total.
Okay, here is $10 again.
Thank you. Here is $1 back.
Thank you.
Do you want this in the same bag?
Yes, please. That's easier for me.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you very much for your help today.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
You explained everything very clearly.
Thank you. That's my job.
I learned a lot about milk today.
That's good to hear.
I will come back next week for more milk.
We will be here. Come anytime.
Do you open every day?
Yes, we open every day except Sunday.
Okay, I will remember that.
Great. See you next time.
See you. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.